सरकारी पॉलिटेक्निक भुजમાં આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. Welcome to Electrical Engineering Department. Department Vision: produce competent diploma electrical engineers for the society. Department Mission: provide technical knowledge and skills through progressive learning environment. Enhance competency by encouraging students to study beyond curriculum. Empower the academic learning of students by strong institute-industry linkages. Today's topic: electrical diagram, staircase wiring and its operation. Accessories and materials required for staircase wiring. Accessories and materials required for staircase wiring. Two-way switch. Important point: staircase wiring diagram. Staircase wiring connection. Staircase wiring plan. Condition 1. Condition 2. Condition 3. Condition 4. Staircase lamp on operation. Staircase lamp on and off operation. Staircase on and off operation. Upward direction. Staircase lamp on and off downward direction. Importance of animation type video. This is a kind of basic advanced teaching learning process to improve their technical skill and abilities. Importance of animation type video. Computer animation is made for a flexible interactive way of learning. Animation adds fun to learning and motivates one to look for more information to learn. Importance of animation type video. Animation type video helps to build practical skills and better knowledge based on industrial level. It helps to improve imagination power and learn concept with easy. Thank you for watching my video.